Okay, we're here in Knox Creek, Kentucky. One of the machine gun shooters and owner. His name is
JJ.
Yeah, give us a little lowdown on what we got up over here in the prices.
What we have for rent today is we have 3 machine guns for rent. We have the 22 caliber, 30 caliber, and 50 caliber. Your 22 cal, you get 60 rounds in a Surefire magazine for $100. Your 30 cal, you get 50 rounds in a belt, $100.50. All tracer, $200. 50 cal, get 20 rounds of armor piercing, and that'll be $200. Our show special is you shoot all 3 machine guns for $400. We're a little fat guy. Come see us at the Knob Creek Machine Gun Shoot.
And what kind of guns do you have? What makes?
We have an M4 rifle for the 223. The M240 is our 30 caliber, and our 18-19 Browning is our 50 cal.
Now, people see this video, they're going to say, oh, it's terrible that people have a right to own machine guns and all this stuff. Tell them what you really have to go through to acquire these things, the background checks and federal laws. And
yeah, you have to have a Class 3 license, which means you got to have a flawless background check. And the federal government then can come in and check your shop or your equipment at any time without any notice. And you got to have insurance and federal tax stamps on certain guns.
Now, what's up with the federal tax stamps on the guns you own?
Well, a tax stamp would be if you were wanting to shoot like an explosive device. There's a $200 fee for every explosive device that goes off. And so you won't see but smoke tracers here normally. The explosives cost the federal stamps, and then like I said, all machine guns are listed under Class 3.
Now when you go to get your license or your permit, they actually take down your fingerprints?
Oh yeah, everything. Full, like I said, you can't have any tarnishes on your record at all.
Suppose you got in a barroom fight.
If it's on record, probably not.
Yeah, any little thing they try to hold against you.
You'd have to have a perfectly clean record.
I thought that's where I could have brought that.
What are the fees and the taxes on owning your firearm and like owning your, what does it cost to have a Class 3 license? Annually or just one time?
I'm not real familiar. I just rent a machine gun. I'm not the owner. George Christie, the little fat guy, is the owner of the machine guns, and he has a gun shop. I'm not sure what all his fees are.
Now, when you buy a machine gun, is there a tax right off the bat?
Well, everything has a sales tax, of course, and I believe that there are some guns you have to pay federal tax on.
So if you want to require one of these fingerprints, background checks, all over. How close are they to taking a DNA test on you too?
It's not far off.
Yeah. But okay, where's the shop located? And
George is located in Williamsport, Virginia.
And he does this show every year.
This fall will be 30 years. George has been here. And he's known, nobody knows him as George. They all know him as Little Fat Guy.
How will we recognize him? He's short, he's fat, or he's tall and skinny?
He's sitting over there in the lounge chair. He's not fat anymore. He's short.
How do you get so thin? Chasing women or chasing the old brass around?
Chasing the brass around.
Gonna get you in trouble.
Well, that's quite informative. And
you guys enjoy yourselves here at Knob Creek.
okay,
All right,
thank
thanks.
you.
Yep.